revenge. It's a natural event. It depends on the cause and effect. The leading light leads the lady to the good side of town, where she slows her tears. In youth you would fasten your belt on your road to walk as you please, see the lamp in the street. But in old age, as you reach out, they will guide you and then they will murder you as you burn the city down just to see your name in lights. Burn the city down just to see your name in lights. The match, it struck the instrument to reach the goal and fell in the end. Upon its path into your heart, which kept a steady beat in time with the pounding on the side of wood. So you can walk into the light. The match, it struck the instrument to reach the goal and fell in the end. Upon its path into your heart, which kept a steady beat in time with the pounding on the side of wood. So you can walk into the light. It struck the instrument to reach the goal and fell in the end. Upon its path into your heart, which kept a steady beat in time with the pounding on the side of wood. So you can walk into the light.
Do zakładu ubezpieczeniowego potrzebujemy zdjęcia, daj mu lepiej.
Mógłby nam to zrobić zdjęcie, wystarczy, że napisać
Pamiątkowe, czyli
cokolwiek tutaj
tylko psa mamy trochę nerwowego.
Na jakim tle? Tu ścieżki rowerowej?
Tak, tak.
Dawaj.
Ale lepiej w tą stronę.
Dobra, chodźmy
Ty,
do
ty ze słońcem.
Cicho bądź. Weź ładnie się ten. Prezentuj. Prezentuj się.
Dobra, jeszcze bliżej. Może drugie ujęcie.
O, dobra.
Bliżej.
Jeszcze raz.
O, właśnie.
Prezentuj się,
Super.
Luna.
Jest.
Dziękujemy bardzo.
Proszę bardzo.
Dziękóweczka.
Na zdrowie.
Miłego dnia.
Wakacje w Warszawie.
My, I'm a clockwork monstrosity of untold proportions. Well, he looks mighty dangerous. You better take extra precautions. He's a ghost and he's mean. He's a robot, he's green. Off the cover, see what is underneath. I don't know where he's been. He's my man, the machine. Nice to meet you. Whoa. Your name is Mr. McKeith. Would you take it from the top? He said, can you comprehend? She said, able I am not to see all of the secrets that were written on my face. And it took her several minutes before she tore her gaze away. Red pilot light glow, oh, assemble in front of row. And poison ready, your strength begins to show. Red pilot light glow, oh, assemble in front of row. And poison ready to share your heart of gold. Because you're imperfect, so your creations be. Well, I am a robot, don't be fooled by the skin. It's just a flimsy piece of me.